Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can run HTML in your favorite Visual Studio Code, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to configure Visual Studio Code for running HTML using Google Chrome on Mac machine. So without further ado, let's get started. Copy this command. I have provided this command in the video description. Now open Visual Studio Code. If you don't have a Visual Studio Code, then you can watch this video to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Mac. Now click on Extension button. Type Code Runner. Select the first option and click on the small install button. You can run the code by pressing Command plus Alt plus N, and you can stop the code from running by pressing Command plus Alt plus M. Now click on Code, then select Preference, then select Settings. Now click on this Open Settings JSON button, add a comma and press Enter. Now write Code and select Code Runner Executor Map. Scroll up to top and add new line, then type double quotes HTML :space double quotes and paste the copied command here. Just make sure you have Google Chrome installed in your Mac. If you don't have a Google Chrome, you can watch this video to download and install Google Chrome on your Mac. Now save the changes. We can now close all of these windows. Now let's write some basic HTML in Visual Studio Code for testing. We can create new file by pressing Command plus N. Now click on File, then select Save As. Give a name to your file. I'll name this file subscribe.html. Just make sure you don't forget to add .html at the end of the file, otherwise it won't work. Choose your preferred directory. I'm selecting desktop here, then click on Save. Now you can press exclamation mark to load basic HTML template. This is cool feature available in Visual Studio Code. Now let me change the title to Tech Decode and let me add a h1 tag which prints subscribe. Now don't forget to save your code. To run the code, you can simply click on this play button. It will automatically launch Google Chrome with our HTML file. Click on OK and it works. See, subscribe now is printed here. If you followed the steps in this video and reach until here, I am assuming this method has been working for you. So I am requesting you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will definitely boost my morale for making more such videos. So this is how you can run HTML in Visual Studio Code using a Chrome browser. If you are interested in learning more about HTML language, then be sure to check out our beginners web development course at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to code and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.